Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Sage from Sage Knows IT, coming to you guys with another video. Cybersecurity Awareness Month 2020. You know, I'm all gun ho about that. Just got finished doing our first video, and thank you so much for the awesome feedback on that. If you don't know already, we are running a giveaway contest, so look for that. Okay, just letting y'all know. Look for that. Anyhow. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, that like button, and help me out to grow this channel. I'm really excited. So as you guys may know, if you listen to my previous video, this week we're talking about employee awareness. So some tips and tricks to help employees navigate the cyber world, the internet world, while they're at work or at home. So today I wanted to kind of focus in on some indicators that you might be compromised, or that your system might be compromised. Now, again, keep in mind this is from a employee perspective. This is not from a technical perspective. I'm going to be saving that for week 4. But from an employee perspective, you want to make sure that it's not just about the phishing emails and things of that nature that come in. Usually those types of payloads that come through are the way to get in. But sometimes, unbeknownst to you, the threat actor might already be in the system already, wreaking havoc. And there's some things that you can observe on your computer to determine, not just determine, I should say, but to kind of help you pinpoint or maybe suspect that something might be going awry. So one of the things that I always tell my customers is pay attention to the way that your system is performing. Sometimes, if you reboot your computer and then all of a sudden, after a reboot, your system is just constantly slow. Or if you hit the Control, Alt, and Delete on your Windows machine, go to your taskbar and navigate to the, I think it's the process screen, you can actually see the CPU usage there, and your CPU usage is above, that 80% mark constantly. Those are good indicators that your computer may have been compromised or that your network may be compromised. You're searching on Google for maybe how to do a task in Excel, and it's automatically redirecting you to a site about asking you to pay for some magazines or things of that nature. That is also a good indicator that your computer may be compromised. So what do you do when you suspect, you're not confident or that you're not sure that your computer might be compromised? One of the things that I strongly recommend is don't ignore the situation. Don't ignore things. A lot of times these things get dismissed, just because the computer's, or it gets dismissed as if the computer is not doing what it needs to do, and people don't take a second thought at it. And they'll let this fester on for weeks and weeks and weeks, sometimes even months, before the IT department starts to see, hey, there's something going on in my logs. We need to figure out what's going on. We need to quarantine that machine. But you can actually be the first line of defense when you see stuff like that. So don't ignore it. That's the first step. Don't ignore it. Instead, if you suspect that your computer may be compromised because of that poor performance in your computer, contact the help desk, or if you guys have a dedicated cybersecurity incident response team, contact them with an inquiry and let them know what you've been seeing. It may also be helpful if you can kind of narrow down when you started to see this type of degradation in your computing system, right? It happened after or when I came into work on Monday morning, or I started to notice it after a reboot on Thursday. Take note of those things and let them know. I mean, that's their job. That's their the IT's job to be able to take that, field that information, and make inquiries into the system to make sure that it's not doing something that it's not supposed to be doing. So yeah, that's my first. I mean, that's my tip for system performance. So hopefully that was beneficial and helpful for you. Again, I'm going to be having more of these videos here. So I'm sorry that this one was short, but it was short on purpose because this is going to be a series of videos. Again, hit the like and the subscribe button. If you enjoyed this content, please be sure to hit me up at www.sageknowsit. Got a lot of great articles there. So hopefully you guys found that beneficial. And yeah, y'all take care. Oh, I forgot to press the end button. Y'all keep it real.